Hello guys, welcome to Ramta Solutions. Today, as you look at your examples or your problems, we're looking at the grade 12 sequences and series. We're looking at the problem that says the sum of x minus 3m from m equals 1 to m equals 5 is equal to the sum of x minus 3m from m equals 1 to x. However, we must show that x minus 3m is equal to 0 from m equals 1 to m equals 13. Okay, so first thing first, as you can see, this is a bit tricky, and one thing I want you to know is that this part here represents what we call your general term. And I do see that this general term basically is that for an arithmetic sequence. So without any waste of time, let's perhaps get term 1, term 5, term 8, and possibly term 13. So let's get into it. So now we will say, where were we? Okay. So let's say now term 1 is equal to x minus 3 into 1. What is this? This is x minus 3. Now let's look for term 5. It'll be x minus 3 into 5, and this will be x minus 15. Again, let's look for term 8. Term 8 will be x minus 3 into 8. This looks like 24, right? So this is x minus 24. Lastly, term 13. Term 13 will be x minus 3 into 13. This will look like x minus, I believe, 39, right? I believe it'll be 39. So I'm going to use the sum of terms for an arithmetic series. I will use n over 2 into first term plus last term. Okay, so first thing first, let's take this. Let's begin with this one because it'll assist us in getting, I believe, the value of x. Okay, so we will say the sum of x minus 3m from m equals 1 to 5 is equal to sum of x minus 3m from m equals 1 to 8. As you can see, from 1 to 5 there are 5 terms, from 1 to 8 there are 8 terms. Remember, we will use this formula. So for the left hand side, we have 5 over 2. What was the first term? It was x minus 3. What was the fifth? The fifth was x minus 15. X minus 15. Now, the right hand side, we said it is m from m equals 1 to m equals 8. So this is 8 terms. So this will be 8 over 2. We had first term was, because we start from m equals 1, it was, yes, x minus 3 plus, what is the last term? The last term, which is the 8th, was x minus 24. X minus 24. So simplifying what's inside the bracket, we have 2x minus 18. Again, 8 over 2. Simplifying what's inside the bracket, we have 2x minus 27. So we will further say, perhaps let's try to do this. I'm going to leave the denominator as it is. Or maybe, no, let me cancel out the denominators. So we will have 5 into 2x minus 18 is equal to 8 into 2x minus 27. 5 times 2x will be 10x. 5 times negative 18 will be negative 90. Yeah, negative 90. 8 times 2x will be 16x. 8 times 27, let me see, 160 plus 56, 150 plus 56, it must be 160 plus 56, it'll be negative 216. Yes, it'll be negative 216. All right, it'll be negative 216. So I'm going to take 16 to that side. For those that perhaps are struggling with doing such things, I'm basically saying 10 minus 16x is equal to negative 216 plus 90. And here we have negative 6x, and here we have negative 126. When I divide by negative 6, I get 6 into 12 goes twice, so this is 21. Therefore, x equals 21. Okay, but we haven't yet answered the question. Remember, we need to show that the sum of x minus 3m from m equals 1 to m equals 13 is equal to 0. We haven't yet shown this. All right? We haven't yet shown this. Now let's proceed. Now as we proceed, we will say, we are now looking for the sum of m equals 1 to 13, right? The sum of x minus 3m from m equals 1 to 13. Let's see what it is. This is, again, remember we're using sum of terms equals n over 2 times a plus l. A being the first term and l being the last term. So what do? We have from 1 to 13, we have 13 terms. Now, what is the first term? It was x minus 3. Now, what was our 13th term? Okay, let me wait for this guy to respond. Our 13th term was x minus 39, which is the last term in this notation. So it was x minus 39. Now, simplifying what's inside the bracket, we have 2x minus 42. Remember, we said x is equal to 21. So where there's x, we are now going to put 21. So 2 should be a square bracket. 2 into 21 minus 42. Proceeding, 13 over 2 is 42 minus 42. This is 0, right? And this is 0. Now, you have proved that the sum of x minus 3m from m equals 1 to 13 is equal to 0. Right. So this is how you do it, guys. Okay, this is how you do it. Remember, we wanted these terms because we can see that the general term is an arithmetic sequence, or it's an arithmetic. This is an arithmetic series, or still you can still call it an arithmetic sequence. All right. So it was easy for us to say we don't have to find term 1, term 2, term 3. Can just find the important terms. But even if you had found term 1, term 2, term 3, it was still going to be okay, because you are going to use that formula that says sum of n terms equals n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Even that one was going to work. Okay, so with that being said, it's a wrap, and I hope you understand. So, bye-bye.